Welcome to this tutorial by Ayush paper. My name is Brustro an architect and artist by profession. As paper matters to me, I am using this acrylic sketchbooks by Ayush paper. This is 260 GSM paper, which is adequate for acrylic and gouache paints. I absolutely love the texture and finishing of the product. It comes in different sizes. I love A5 size sketchbook the most as I love painting and sketching while traveling. For today's tutorial, I am using gouache paints. We need white, red, yellow, brown and black color and 2 miniature brushes for detailing. We will start by mixing 5 parts of white, 3 parts of yellow, 2 parts of red to make skin tone. In my skin tone, I will add white, brown and red to create different tones of skin color. Adding white gives the lighter tone and adding brown or red color according to skin tone give darker color. I will start with very light tone of gouache for base color, leaving spaces for the lighter tone of color. Using white color for the lighter tone. I use white color for highlights. It gives a perfect dark tone by adding brown to skin color. As a self-taught artist, I always have a query about what material should I use, which brand I should choose. Ayush paper has come up with a super platform askayush.com where you can reach out to different experts from different art mediums and ask your query, and they would be happy to answer and guide you how to go about a particular technique or new art form. It happens with me most of the time that I use only one brush to complete the whole painting, even if I have 50 more brushes in the bucket. If it happens with you too, please leave a comment. What are your paintbrush stories? If you find this video useful, do share your feedbacks. If you recreate this, do tag us on Ayush Paper Instagram handle. Bye bye.